This is it, baby. Yeah, it looks like the chain broke on it or something. Oh, so it's not even a fucking... Hello? Hello?
I think...
Oh, so I thought it was a posted sign. So nope, it's just saying not to be occupied. I could see why.
It was a nice house, so you could tell.
Oh, absolutely. Okay.
Be careful where you step. I've never been in here. I remember there was a huge piece, like a huge one in here at some point. Like right.
Wait, you've been in here before?
I remember we walked up to the door and looked in, and there was like a beehive.
Really?
And we could see it from the door. It was like huge.
There's one right there.
It was years ago. That one.
But so this house has been empty since then, right?
This house has been empty ever since.
For as long as you could remember, probably, right?
Yeah.
So it looks like they tried to chain the doors shut, but it like came off or something.
Actually, a pretty nice house.
It's kind of shit.
But it looks pretty new.
It looks new.
Wood doesn't look that old, like it.
Doesn't look like it's from the 1800s.
Yeah.
Basically.
Oh shit.
What?
Good.
Oh shit, it's right. Oh yeah, the floor is definitely pretty fucking thin. Oh, see, like I see what they did here. Like they clearly tried to like, well, it worked for this one. It looks like they chained it shut.
Yeah.
But the other one must have broken off. That's why the door kept opening and closing.
Probably.
Whoa, that's really.
Whoa, there's an upstairs.
Wait, whoa! Stand.
Ooh, a fireplace.
Matt,
We should
be
sit
in the
up.
middle.
Just like being in the cabin.
That's
Wow.
really cool.
What a nice house.
Look at this.
Oh, they have.
They got a sliding.
Got shrooms. This shit.
No, just.
Or I think that's a little child. A little sunshine boy.
Yeah, like if I was a hobo, I would live here.
That's what I'm always saying. It's
Yeah,
like,
this would be perfect. And then you have your bed right here. You just.
but like, get the fuck off the streets, bro. It's like, just come live here.
A bunch
Legit.
of hobos could live here. They can make a.
Wait, you mean more than
Here.
one could live here?
Look up there. No, there's like mold.
Mold? Oh, that's okay.
That wind is scary.
It's probably why it's unsafe.
Oh, so what? We'll be okay.
Maybe that's why no one lives here anymore. Because well, it's unsafe. So we gotta get out now.
We gotta get out.
It's too late.
I mean, you gotta say something to him, right? Oops.
Did you get it, Katie?
Hello.
Hi, YouTube. This is for YouTube. Right?
Oh, for YouTube? Oh, okay. Me too.
I mean, the only thing is it will be cold in here, but in the summer it wouldn't be.
Keys. This is where they put their coats, I assume. Their little tiny coats.
Whoa, yeah. Oh, keys.
Yeah.
I thought you were being serious.
This is where their son punched the wall in frustration.
Oh, yeah.
I assume. I don't actually know. Wow, looks great. It's another bee's nest. Fuck. They saw three of me for a second there. It's fucking scary. One of me's bad enough. I saw three of me for a second there. Oh shit. Little cow and a moon. You see this part? Wow. This was literally such a nice ass house. Now it's just nothing. Oh, hello.
Yeah.
This is the current inhabitant. Oh, fuck. Like, this is so cool. They must have had a railing, though, or something. They would have had to. Like, it almost looks like they didn't even finish the house in a way. Well, like, I don't know. It's almost like they started, and then they were like, oh, this house is fucking broken, and it sucks. And then they just, had to leave and never came back to fix her up.
But like, you guys are just down right there, but I still feel like I'm alone.
Oh, I want to be in the picture, too.
Yeah, the whole
to be
thing like
closer?
fucked right in the middle.
Yeah.
We need symmetry.
Now do the gang scene.
Shrooms and some little boy.
And this is where they would hang their keys, I assume.
No, they're stockings.
Them niggas.
Oops.
Alright, let's go in the basement.
Holy shit.
What?
That one just came off.
Oh, fuck.
Maybe they just used really shitty wood or something.
Why would they make their house out of like not very good sturdiness?
Because they probably weren't very intelligent.
Oh.
That's why they don't live in it now. Because they probably fucked it up. Wow.
Yeah, this isn't even done.
Oh, there's not even that much down here.
There's a weird hole.
Probably for heating. Whoa, what is that? Is that just like a big ball? Like under the stairs?
Oh, what the fuck? Oh, they had to play catch or something. I think. Yeah.
Yeah, there's like holes.
I can't feel my nose. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. No, I thought there'd be like a door to like a room here, but there's just nothing. There's some toilet paper if you want to wipe your butt with it. What does that say? What does that stocking say?
Rail.
Rail.
My boy Rail.
Cousin Rail. Interesting. That's craziness.
Should we go out the door?
Sure. Wow, let me just open.
Yep.
Got a bunch of tubing right here. Or no, this is, what is this? A satellite? What is this gay shit? It's like a fucking satellite or some shit here. Or antenna, my bad, yeah. A fucking satellite here. Actual satellite. Fucking massive one.
Oh.
No, Katie, don't touch. Don't touch. Don't touch.
Roll down the hill.
Oh, yeah, do that actually. Changed my mind.
You ready, Joel?
Oh, duh. It doesn't work.
Woo. Wow, you missed it.
Wow, look at it go. Seems like it's off to the right a little bit, but that's okay. See, this has more stuff in it than the whole house.
Maybe people hang out here or something.
What does that say? I hope that doesn't say what I think it says. It's like Negus. It's a king.
Here's Boomer.
Oh, they named their fucking toothbrush. Oh, it's a
think it's a
dog
lunch
brush. Okay, never mind.
It might be a lunchbox.
Oh,
Maybe it's like a TV show or something.
or it's like a someone born after World War II or some shit.
Whoa, they have a little light source in the middle.
Yep. Except at night, then you would have no light at all. Wow, Dad, that's literally something else, my
Hole in
dudes.
the ceiling. That's so great.
I want to see that part that Jewel went to.
The porch.
Yep. Yes, sir. The porch.
Rickety.
Yeah, it looks fucking rickety. Oh my god, this shit is super fucking rickety. Look at this shit. Look at that shit. There's only a fucking hole in the fucking thing. That makes me pretty nervous. There's where we were earlier. What's that stuff over there?
I was wondering the same thing.
This shit's just been sitting out for like days as well or whatever. It's their old masonry jars filled with old fucking leaves, newspaper, some fucking tools, someone's
pants.
fucking pants, frozen pants.
And a giant book. Is that the Bible?
Probably. That's the only book they owned back then.
No,
Bible.
it's
Dictionary.
Black Law Dictionary.
Black law? That's
think
fucked
so.
up.
Yep.
Did black people have different laws back in the day?
I guess. Well, yeah, probably.
That's kind of fucked
Like
up.
back way in the day.
That's a nice pair of
Water.
jeans.
Thank
They
you.
look like new.
These are not new, actually.
No, those.
Oh, well, now I'm embarrassed.
No, no.